Hey guys, what's up? Again, I'm sorry I'm in my PJs. It's like really late over here. But I'm gonna show you real quick how to, and I'm gonna probably trim this a little bit because, yeah, so I'm going to prop this against something. Sorry if you can't see me. So I'm gonna show you how to protect a folder on a Macintosh computer. So I'm just gonna make a random text document here. So let's call it, this is a test. We'll save it. And we'll just call it test document. So go to desktop and click save. And turn it. And now we're going to make a new folder. Call it private for this purpose, for this demonstration video. And we can copy that. Paste it in there. And then we delete the regular document that was on the desktop. There we go. Now we're going to go to the Spotlight by doing Command Space and type the word disk, D-I-S-K. There it is, disk utility. Now we're going to go to the menu bar and go to New Image. Image from folder, hit enter, and select the private folder, hit enter, and it says private.dmg, and it is fine on the desktop. Now here it says encryption. We're going to select 128 kilobits, the 128 bits, whatever. And then the password, we'll just make the password YouTube. And click choose. So 128-bit AES. And click save. And now it is encrypting it. And when it's finished, you can click on done. Close the disk utility. And then delete the private folder, not the DMG, but the regular folder. There we go. So now I'm going to open it. And now it's confirming for a password. And I'm going to prove this by skipping it. Clicking OK. It will not let me do it. So now I'm going to type in the password YouTube. And make sure the remember password my keychain is unchecked. If you do not want to keep entering the if you even keep entering the password, make sure remember this password my keychain is unchecked, because then other people cannot access it. Click on OK. And there it is, test document.rtf. In this case, this is a rich text document. Now you notice there's a disk here. So we have to eject the disk. So it's closed again, and it's gone now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And instead of doing the remove command, I'm going to do it through the terminal. So on the open terminal, in this case you can just do remove, but even when you want to remove a document from terminal, in this case from the desktop. So we're doing cd space desktop, hit enter, and then hit rm space private, enter. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. So rm, private dot. There we go. We had to do remove private.dmg because it was a DMG folder. So now we do exit, enter. It's gone. Bam. Now guys, I'm gonna do this again. Before you do this rm command, please note that if you do rm, it means remove. Once you hit enter, let's say you do rm space test, hit enter, and you see it on the desktop. Once you do this, it's gone. You cannot get it back. Once you do this command, it's gone. It's just like removing something from the from the recycling. It's no, that's not a good idea. I was saying it. It's like how do I describe this? It's like you drop something through what do you call those things? Like, you know, those little gutters that have little, like the water goes down and it's like a big hole with a grate over it. It's like dropping a quarter down there. Once that quarter is dropped down there, it's gone. You can't get that quarter back. Now you can get a new one, but it won't be the same one. So if that makes any sense, that's how the terminal remove command works. So that's how that works. Yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for bed here in a little bit because I have school tomorrow. And yes, I know my TV is on. But it's just because I have my TV on at nighttime. I need some noise, and also it's one of my channels that I like and that I enjoy. So, if you guys have any questions about the Macintosh computer, through terminal, or how to do certain things with voiceover screen readers, or how to do certain things, like, you know, whatever. And guys, there's also a root user. Now, what the root user is like the system administrator. Now, do not get confused. There is a user administrator and there's also a system administrator. The system administrator is like the admin who can do the same thing as a system admin, or as a user admin, but he can't. But the user admin couldn't do, like, you know. Let me think. Like, you know, in the terminal things, you have to do sudo and stuff like that, or there's some things you can't change in there. So, like, if you wanted to change something in your account, you basically would have to. No, that's not a good idea. That's not a good way of saying it. Let me think. Okay, let me think here. How would I describe what the root? Basically, the root user isn't really used much, but you can enable it. And if you guys want to know how to enable the root user, let me know in the comments below. Do not leave the password blank, because that is a really easy way for someone to actually go to the other user, root user, and log into the root user, and they could reset your password. Yeah, that's how easy it is. So always, and do not make that password the same as the root user. Make something that it's hard to guess, but easy for you to remember. But the root user is basically like you know, if you forgot your own password, you could reset it that way. But another good way of looking at it is like you can do some system changes. Like if there's some things that I could, like I'm an admin. Well, I'm the only admin on my computer basically. So let's say there's something I want to do on my computer and I can't do it. That's when I would use the root user, but that'd be only like if I would do something through terminal and I couldn't do it and I didn't want to keep typing in sudo. So another way I could be doing it is I could just go to terminal, type in login space root, and hit enter, and the root password for that user, and hit enter, and it would log in, and then as the root user, and I can do the stuff there without typing the word sudo. And then to obviously log out, you type in the word exit and hit enter. Now every time you do something, you would have to type in the word exit because you want to save. That's how that basically saves your changes. And I'm sorry I'm keeping my voice down. My parents are asleep, so, and their bedroom is literally above mine. So yeah. But yeah, if you guys want to know anything more about the Mac or how to do certain things, please let me know. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out.
Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Follow my Twitter, which is linked to my channel.